Okay, so of course I have to start off with my lovely plants. My peace lily, as y'all can see, bloomed. I got a new addition, as y'all can see right there. My friend got that for me. It's another lily, and she also put some sweet notes in the flower pot as well to go with it. And I'm just so appreciative because it really made my day. But yeah, I've been kind of just doing the normal, I guess. Kind of just waking up, eating, showering, brushing my teeth, working. Not really doing too much. And just watching my plants bloom. I mean, that is literally what my life has been consisting of. And I'm in kind of like a really nice, calm state lately, to where I'm kind of just, I don't know, just kind of working on me and actually making sure that I'm okay. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Okay, guys, so I am taking calls, and I decided to make me some brownies between calls. Okay, so I ordered a couple of things from wish.com, so I'm about to open everything up right now and then kind of lay it all out so you guys can basically see it. Okay, so this is what I got here laid out, and I also bought this little ball here. It's supposed to be good with cameras. So this is what I got. I'm about to put one of those pillows over these two pillows just to see what it looks like. See what I can. Let me turn that down. Okay, so anyways, so I'm about to put one of these two pillows inside of these like two of these YouTube things just to see what it looks like. They're bigger than what I thought. I didn't know they were going to be like so big, but maybe they won't be big once I put everything in there. And I'm so excited because, let me show y'all. So let me put this back. All right, so I'm so excited because I thought that I was going to have to like go to my mom's house and ask her to sew them up. But look, they actually have zippers where I can like unzip them, put the stuff in there, and then zip it back up. So I'm really happy about that. So yeah, I'm about to see what they look like. Or maybe I should just wait till I have fluff. I can just buy some fluff from Walmart. So, but yeah, this is what I got. And these are the webcam covers that you can put on like your phone or your computer. It came with a pack of 20. These are really big. I don't know why they're so big, but they go well over my ears. Like, I don't know who they think has like huge ears, but they really don't fit too much. But I'm definitely about to use this because I'm about to feed my fish. So let's see how this works out. So there it is. They're already looking at it like, what the hell is this? So let's drop some food in there. I think I'm gonna do a variety this time. They're so ready. I think I'm gonna put a variety this time, a pinch of the beta, and then I'm gonna do a pinch of the bloodworms. So let's see how this works out. Oh, why is not, there we go, focusing. Oh my gosh, I freaking love that. Look at that. That is perfect. And then let's get some bloodworms here. And then that is so perfect. That is so perfect. I don't know why. Okay, so why are they going for the food out? Okay, there we go. Smart cookie. Smart. I don't know why. Okay, so the pebbles are still kind of bouncing out, but the bloodworms are still they're staying intact. So I guess well, either way, so not the best, but it is better because like I said, See, they're flapping their fins and stuff. Man, okay, okay. See, they're flapping their fins and stuff, so it's basically making the food leave out. But at least most of the food is actually staying in there. See, this one is still struggling, but it doesn't need to. But do y'all see? Like, watch how that goes through. Okay, all right. So do y'all see how the food literally just goes straight through the filter? I mean, unless it's like big enough, like that piece. So I mean, it's better than what it was, but I do need to clean it out. Oh my gosh, I love this mouse pad, y'all. This entire thing is a mouse pad, so I don't have to have like a mouse pad. I can literally like move it anywhere I want. And like I said, this one was like $13, but there was another one on Wish that was like, it was saying that it was free, and so I clicked on it, and it said that it was going to give it to me for free. So I just noticed that I can get Pluto on my TV. I got this TV, but I've never really like focused on learning it, and so I'm learning that I have a lot of stuff that I can download on there, so I don't have to like always watch Netflix and Hulu and Prime all the time. But anyways, I'm headed to Starbucks because then I have to work when I get back. All right, so on this particular day, my sister and we have decided to get our gun license, and so she was treating us both to the gun range because we both have, we want to start to make sure that we get our guns and whatnot and our license, and so we just wanted to actually go to the gun range to just try it out right quick. And so that's where we were headed. And while we were in the car, we were kind of just catching up. So that's why I put the volume down. Here at the gun range. Hey, we're at the gun range. Yeah. Pew, 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 pew. Let me turn around. So this is what it looks like. Cause as y'all know, we're trying to get our guns, and then then y'all see a lot of big stuff. But we're about to go in here and see what we need. Y'all see that? I don't even know. So this is how much they like honestly would cost, I guess. Yeah, they're not. But they're not expensive either, though. You can get maybe like look at that, a Glock 27. Why do they look like toys? I know they're guns, but they like don't they look plastic? Yeah.
But these are 9mm.
All right, y'all. So we just left because it was great though. It was really great. We're going to just shoot today. It would have been like $50 with an instructor, but he said you can also basically take the class and actually get the certificate. So the class is $100. So we were thinking like, we might as well pay the $100, take the class, instead of paying $50 just for today and then have to come back in and pay $100 to take the class. So we're basically saving $50. So we're going to sign up for the class on April the 24th. That's going to allow us, and it's only $100. That's going to allow us to get a certificate, and then with the certificate we would go to this place and actually pay the fees to get our license, and then literally we can just roll in there and actually pick up a gun and then pay for
He said you can literally like just
and then maybe pay for like a membership, because the cheapest membership they had per year is $100 per year, where you can come in, and then we could probably bring our own guns. We probably don't even have to rent them. So it's so easy, y'all, to get a gun. But of course we're being like responsible with it. We're not just getting them just to get them. We're getting them because that's just the world we live in right now. So
yep.
But yeah, that's it. So yeah, we are headed home. We're about to go eat. Okay. So I'll just have to take it to them. Next time is time for my oil change. I'm overly like Nishawn. Whatever. But you own that car free and clear, don't you?
I sure do.
Yeah.
Which here's the thing, like when I was contemplating whether or not I wanted to pay it off because I heard if you have gap insurance, once you pay off your car, that's it.
Yeah.
And so I was like, but just in case, but now I was like, let me just pay it off because it's gonna save you money in the long run. One in Mobile, I know. I think one in New Orleans. Places everywhere.
Oh, okay.
So we just got our coffee. All right, so we got our food.
I got a yummy breakfast sandwich.
That looks amazing.
Yours looks amazing. Like you can buy like certain cars, so we can have like a vehicle, right? We can get like a Mercedes and stuff like that. We write it off, and it could be like, or we can get like a Jeep and stuff like that. As long as you have like your company logo on the Jeep, you can completely write off.
Give us a season.
Can you imagine us like going like, so they're filming us, we have our little hard hats on.
Yeah.
And then we're coming in like messing stuff up. Like, okay, well, once you drop in. They're gonna have a hard time filming us. We're gonna be giggling. They're gonna be like, please, we're trying to get this shot.
Right.
And I didn't know that, so I put
That's
as much
cute.
as I could back in there.
This is nice.
And
So you got carpet, patio set out.
you want to see? That's my little blower. I go out there and blow one.
These are.
Literally just click the button. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, sweet. Thank you, love. I'm sorry about that.
No, it's totally fine.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
You too.
Y'all. Alright, so I'm about to. What I bought from Walmart. My mom gave me these. She gave me some bowls right here for the microwave. And then she gave me these two items to keep your feet and toes warm because this is a part of our emergency packet. So I'm going to put that up here. Alright, let me see how that looks. Yeah, I like that. Alright, so I'm about to stuff these. We have our subscribe, the little symbol here, and this one, and this one. So I'm about to, I bought 2 of these just because I felt like I would need 2 of them. But now that I think about it, I think I'm only going to need like 1 of them. So we'll see. I gotta kind of mold it how I want it. Oh my gosh, I love that. It's so cute. Let me see how it look. Did my camera stop, or are y'all still with me, or did my camera stop? Oh my gosh, I love that. That is so cute. I love it. I love it. All right. All right, so I think with this other one, I think I'm gonna put this one and this one on one couch, and this one is going on this couch. So let me move this. This is going to be for a photo shoot that I'm doing. Let me move it. Let's do the second one. Oh. That is so cute. I think I want it like this. Alright, and then I have two more that I gotta do. Cute. This one I didn't stuff as much because I'm already getting tired. I mean, I just. Alright, last one, last one. Alright, so I got a little bit, well actually a lot left. So I'm going to roll this up and kind of just keep it. Okay. All right. So there y'all see it. I hate that I think that's the sun that's making like it look blurry, but let me see if I can put it over here. Maybe there won't be like a glare. Okay, so there it is. New pillows here. So I also bought these from Walmart so I can start spraying my plants with water. I'll take y'all with me. Is it blurry or is it just? Oh yeah, I think it is like actually blurry. Oh, maybe not. All right. So I bought this. That way I can spray my plants with a little mist. And of course, oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. It is so beautiful, isn't it not? I love it. I freaking love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. And so me, Kelly, and Quavay, we're gonna be fishing this weekend. So I wanna YouTube and actually go ahead and put the fishing lines on the rail, like the fishing rails. That way when she picks me up, we don't really have to worry about, putting the fishing lines together. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day. You guys will see that. I'm gonna basically just pull up something. I'm gonna basically just pull up something on YouTube and actually get that done. Right. So let's see if we can find out how to. Who killed Sarah? What? Really? That may be a good one. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out how to fish. I don't know why it's not showing up red. There I am. Y'all make sure you subscribe. Let's see if we can, let's see. There we go. How to set up a new fishing rod. Thanks, buddy. I don't have a fishing hook yet. Wait. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Wait. Can you start over? Okay. I just need you to start over one more time. Oh, this thing is huge. This thing is like. This thing is huge. Oh my gosh. won't be able to do it because I don't have the hooks and stuff that I need. I need to go and get that. Cause I can't do it. I mean, I need I can't do it. I'm gonna need the hooks and stuff, which I need to go and get, but I'm not getting them today. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next video, which is basically going to be the video where we are fishing. So, all right, y'all. See you later.
Got the first fish on the new line. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Have a look at this. Beautiful. Nice spring. New rod. Happy fishing, everyone.
Adorable.